Hello students, in this class I'll choose some MCQs which are usually match the following. So usually what happens, the different type of questions what we observed. So I'll choose here first two simple questions, later on we go for the fast year question papers, the same what we observed here, and the match the following or match the columns and find out the correct combinations. So in this way also questions may be framed for the NEET examination and CET examination. So here the match the columns and find out the correct combinations. So here again options are made in combinations. So first in the first column and second column, here tags are given, different tags are given in different not they are in order, means in sequence. So here also the name is given exactly, right? So when we observe this question, so family, kingdom, order and species, genus is not given, so only 4 are given but 5 options are there for this one. So we should be alert which we know very well, and the that we should select first, not the family or not the species, whatever. So here maybe 2 species, 2 kingdoms, or so because one option is not there, so there is a possibility of 2 order, 2 family may be there, but one should select. As we know that kingdom, the kingdom names, 5 kingdoms are there, so here only kingdom name is there, Plante, so that is here Plante kingdom is here, but there is no animal or any there is no other any kingdom names here. So by this we can identify very easily. This is very simple question. So kingdom Plante, so here B is there, here you can select the B. So Plante 4 is there, so here is there any 4, so you should select first this one. Okay, so here one more option, if any 4 is there, B4, so then we should select this. If it is 4 here for example, or this one any 4, if another 4 if it is there, we can select this and this one. Already we have selected this A because B4 is exactly right answer, right? So and there is no any options in the remaining 3. Okay, so that's why no doubt 100% it is option A, answer is this one, right? So by this also we can select, but so we should analyze first now the B4, right? B4 kingdom Plante, and A5 you can check out family Solanaceae, dot Solanaceae comes under this one, and even the order, so C is there, no order, C you can check C2, order Polymonales, right? Polymonales is the order, and next the species is given, no genus no doubt Solanum nigrum, right? So genus actually Solanum, genus is not given, and D is 1, so nigrum is the species. So then the answer is this one is the right. So this is what the question, and we can choose the next question. Yes, you can read out the in the column that is match the same question, and they are asking correct combination out of this 4 options. We have to select the which is the right combination, right? In the this column and this column there are couplet, lead, monograph and manuals. So this is the 4 uh, uh, words are given, whatever these are related to the taxonomical aids. So we should note this taxonomical aids, and that the meaning of this taxonomical aids is given here, right? So actually couplet, right? Couplet means what we observed, couplet uh, couplet means two, a pair of contrasting characters. So here the fifth one is the right, no doubt actually. So here there is no such any explanation in this for remaining this one, the statement and information of any one taxon, no. So this is the right answer here. This you can select. A is 5, a 5, a fifth from this column is right. A pair of contrasting characters, so that is couplet. And lead, in that pair actually each statement in a key, so it's related to key. Couplet and lead are related to key, taxonomical key. So here in the taxonomical key, the couplet is a pair of contrasting characters which one take lead, so that is each statement. There are pair of statements are there, no. So that out of that one is called each statement in a key, right? So then the B is fourth, B is fourth. And monograph means information of any one taxon, monographs one taxon, so no doubt this is also right, and B is also right. Next, manuals. Manuals is given here 3. So according to this, the manuals means specially designed for ready reference. It's like a ready reckoner, what we called. So ready-made monographs are given. Sorry, manuals. The manual will give us specially designed for ready reference. So it includes um, all the features, and by that we can select easily which is the right name or that species that can be identified by the manuals. So manuals are like a ready reference books, small books which are made out. So these are the taxonomical aids and this one, and this is the right answer here. Okay, so option A is selected. And so once we know the couplet is a pair of contrasting characters 100% if you know, and you can observe here, and is there any one more fifth option, because a5 if it is here, so you can reject these two and we can select. Out of this we can balance. Okay, you can observe the right answers. In this way also we can predict the right answer, right? So this now according to this columns, so we can choose the first option. Option A is the right. Yes, one more question you can take. The same, match the following and choose the correct option. So here 4 options are given in the combinations, so we should select the out of these 4 options right one. So here you can observe the family, kingdom, order, species, genus. So in previous question also we discussed that without genus, the same question, but here all 5 are given. Here also 5 options are given. Observe here the kingdom Plantae, yes, A4 is there, so and A4 is here. So you can observe here, dear students. So A4 and A4 is no doubt kingdom Plantae. There is no any other kingdom names here. So for that, so this and this you can select. A5, no doubt B4. Sorry, here you can observe B. First you are choosing B, no? So B4, B4 you can select. So this one, and no, B4 is not there, so right. So this one we have selected, right? So you can go through the yes, B4, but here no more options for 4, right? 4 is not there. So by this you can select. This is the final answer. So just you can check out, this is not there, this and this one, this is also not selected because 4 is there here, only 1 is there, 4, and this is not there, this is also not there out of these options. So kingdom Plantae, and so A5 is given here. You can see the A5 family Solanaceae, no doubt this is also this A5, this is right. A5 is right. And C2 you can check, C2 order Polymonales, right? So this is order Polymonales is also right. D1 species species S1 is given tuberosum, and E3 genus is, so that is genus here. You can observe the genus E3 Solanum tuberosum. So here species is changed, Solanum nigrum and Solanum. So here tuberosum is there, no doubt. So by that you can observe the answer is this one. This is the right answer. So it's very we have to use the tricks here. So B, for B, fourth option is exactly right, and there is no any other options. So by that you can select the, if there is a 4, as I mentioned here previously, so this is not there. Okay, 4, if we here one more 4 is there, then you have to select this one. Out of this we can predict with another answer. So only by only one answer in this case, this is easy type of question. So by this we can select this is the right answer. Option B is the right answer here. Okay, so in this way you can predict it. Yes, the same match the following question. So match the following whatever they are given in the columns. No, so past year question paper, when you observe 2018, so the column 1 and column 2 are given herbarium. So herbarium, key, museum and catalog are given here. So these are the herbarium, key, museum, catalog are the taxonomical aids, and their meaning is given in this column, right? So what is given here in the first this one, it is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. We should read out all these first, then we can go for analyzing the right answer. So here the herbarium is given, but preserved plants and animals, herbarium is related to only plants, so this is not there, right? So a list of a list that enumerates methodically all the species found in an area with brief description aiding identification. So later on we'll see this one, right? So and actually the garden, so it will be a list is there. Yes, a list is there means it will be a catalog, right? And it's a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on sheets are kept. So no doubt you can select for this is the A. Herbarium is A, right? So herbarium is A here. So in a place where dried and pressed only plant is given, plant specimens mounted on sheets are kept. So this is what the herbarium. So next one we got the answer, no? So I hope the herbarium is very exact answer. Here you can choose. So for this options you can see the combinations around is given. So you can take here A3, right? So A3 is here, one more A3 is given, right? In this way, so you have to select both A, this one and this one. So these two are rejected, no need to verify these two. So we have to verify with these two options B and D, right? And next one we should identify. So we go through the B, key. So key is one more here, a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa, right? So a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternate alternates means you actually alternate characters, contrasting characters we can consider here, which are helpful in identification of various taxa. So this is definitely a key. B4. So B4, where is B4? Here B2 is there, so you can check out once. B2 list of enumerate methodically all species are not given. All the species found in a area with brief description, that is actually catalog of that area. Catalog you can consider. D2 is right. So here you can observe in the options D2 is here, and B4 B yes B4 is right. So this is the B here, and museum C, actually C1, that is a museum is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals in museum. So usually biological museum, what we call the plant specimens are in a dead condition which are preserved, okay, in the preservatives. So that is what in a transplant classes. So that is the museum we can say, okay. So catalog is containing all the details of that given geographical area. So with the description is also given here. So this is D2. So you can check out the options here. A3, B4 and D2 is given. C1. So when you observe this one, so we'll clearly get the answer. D is the right option, right? So this is what the D is the right answer. So in this way we can predict the answers. Thank you, students.